Roger Milla, the legendary Cameroonian footballer, rose to prominence through a career defined by talent, resilience, and remarkable achievement. Born on May 20th, 1952, Miller's journey to football stardom began in his homeland, where he honed his skills on the streets of Yaoundé. He gained attention playing for football clubs before earning a move to France to pursue a professional career. Miller's international breakthrough, however, came in the 1980s, representing Cameroon's national team, the indomitable Lions, les Lions Indomptables. In 1988, at age 36, Roger Milla retired from international football. Celebrated in Cameroon, however, President Paul Biya convinced him to return for the 1990 World Cup. Biya was impressed by Miller's performance in a charity match where he had already retired, urged for his comeback. Despite reluctance from teammates and coach Valery Nepomniatsky, Biya issued a decree mandating Miller's inclusion. This decision followed public pressure after Cameroon's poor showing in the 1990 African Cup of Nations, which was slightly a few months before the World Cup. Miller officially announced his return in May 1990 and became a sensation at the World Cup in Italy. At the age of 38, Miller became the tournament's oldest goal scorer and won the Bronze Boot, which is the third best place, for his 4 goals. Beyond his on-field achievement, Miller's iconic goal celebration, including his trademark hip-shaking dance, endeared him to football fans worldwide. His impact extended beyond the pitch as he became a symbol of hope and inspiration, particularly in Africa, demonstrating that age is no barrier for success. Miller's legacy endures as one of Africa's greatest footballers, recognized for his talent, charisma, and contribution to the sport's global popularity.